Well, it has been raining all night and all morning. It's there were some good thunderstorms last night. Very good thunderstorms. A lot of tornado watches, but thank God nothing around here. North of us, though, I understand that there was some pretty nasty weather and possible tornadoes touched down. I don't know. I know that in the news last night it showed some huge trees that had fallen in several homes up, I guess, right near Monroe, Louisiana. But we had, I don't know if you could see it, way out there by that tall tree. At the bottom there's a branch that has fallen. And small little twigs and all like that come down, but nothing major around here. As you can tell on the porch, the deck is wet and there's rain still coming down. I wanted to show you the only branch right here that came down is right here at the bottom of the steps. And that's nothing, it's just a small branch. But it is wet. So wet. It's drenched. I was walking Brian and slush. It was terrible. My shoes were all wet. It's just really bad. But thank goodness nothing really bad came down here. And that's the main thing. I'm not going to be able to tape very much today due to this nasty weather. And I don't like to do it inside. So there's some pretty trees out here. White and pink. Real pretty colors. And this rain will help. Definitely will help. I guess we really need it, but I don't know about this much. I mean, this area is low ground, you know, and it can get flooded very, very easily. So, anyway, I just thought I'd give you an update of my weather. Should I say I am the weather woman? Anyway, you all have a great day. And hope everything comes out perfect for you and your loved ones. And here, too. But anyway, don't forget to love one another. Peace, love, and happiness. That's what we all should strive for and should give others too. So anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day.